Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial I'll show you how to activate 2FA on Rainbow Six Siege. First thing first, visit account.ubisoft.com and log in with your Ubisoft credentials. On your account page, select the two-step verification tile and scroll down to the two-step verification subsection. Now, click Activate Two-Step Verification and select Google Authenticator. Click Choose. Now Ubisoft will send a confirmation email. Open the email and click the verification link to proceed. You'll be asked to log in once more to confirm it's you. Now, you'll be prompted to download the Google Authenticator app. Download it or use another Authenticator app from your choice. Now open it and select Begin Setup. Choose Scan the QR code displayed on the Ubisoft page or enter it manually. After scanning, Google will display a 6-digit code. Enter this code to the Ubisoft page, then click Continue. Ubisoft will display 6 recovery codes. Just important, save them somewhere secure, and if you lose access to the Authenticator app, these codes let you back into your account. And that's it. Two-step verification is now active on your Ubisoft account. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you on the next one.